Lake Garda, Lake Garda.
Sirmione is on Lake Garda in northern Italy, in the province of Brescia in the Lombardy region. The nearest airports are Verona, Brescia or Milan. We came by car from Verona. You can see our other video about Verona if you like.
Big car park in here.
€4.20
Here.
until 5 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Sirmione is one of the most beautiful towns on Lake Garda. This historic town sits on a narrow peninsula stretching into south of Lake Garda. And even on a grey day, the colours of the old buildings and the calm water was stunning. Even though it was raining, the atmosphere was still magical. It was the end of the summer season, so the rain actually helped, as it was less busy with tourists. It must be very crowded in peak season.
Beautiful.
Not only do visitors come by road, but there are numerous ferries from various towns on Lake Garda. This amazing castle is one of the best preserved medieval castles in Italy. It is surrounded by water and almost looks like it's floating. It was a beautiful walk through the historic town centre, with charming glimpses of the lake that surrounded us. We had to buy some souvenirs. I wanted to remember not only Sirmione, but also Lake Garda.
Oh, smell lemon.
These ancient streets are narrow, very colourful, and lined with boutiques and artisan stores.
Lake Garda, beautiful.
This area has been inhabited since the Bronze Age, but it became especially important during the Romano era, when wealthy families built villas here with stunning views.
In the red, yeah, this one, that side.
In the Middle Ages, Sirmione became a strategic defensive point. That's when the Scaliger Castle was built by the Della Scala family of Verona. Sirmione is well worth a visit, and is one of the most photographed spots on Lake Garda. The town was very impressive to visit. Please like, share and subscribe for more travel videos.